Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to send anonymous message on X. So actually X doesn't let you send anonymous DMs natively because every DM shows your username. But there are one workaround depending on what you mean by anonymous. So the only solution will be for you to create an alt account. So what I mean by that is that you have to create a new X account that includes no personal information, such as email number, email address, your phone number, your real name, your pictures, etc. And you can use that account to send DMs to people or to reply to their tweets. So basically, you have to tap profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and now at the top part of your screen you should see the three-dot button. You have to tap it and select the option that says create new account. So now on the screen you have this little form that you have to fill in order to create your new X account. That includes your name, but of course do not add your real name, your phone number or email address. Actually you can use your non-personal email address here in this field, and also your date of birth. Then tap next button, and X maybe ask you to confirm your email address by sending a code to your email address, and you have to just enter that code. Proceed with following steps. And basically when you create that account, you can post something from your new alt account and tag the person, for example, or you can quote tweet without revealing your real identity on X. Yes, but one thing is that you don't have to use anonymity for harassment, because that's a fast track to getting suspended on X platform. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.